have no clients. Okay, I just played when I have no money. Okay, just because I really love the game. Until such time that I had a opportunity to go on an actual esports event in Bangkok, Thailand. So it was a really crazy moment for me. I attended a tournament for 3 days. Okay, it was a semi-final, lower final, and grand final in Masters Bangkok. So it was a very crazy moment for me that I was just this broke kid playing in a government-owned computer, PUBG, from 8 p.m. to 12 midnight, and actually it was just last year that I attended an actual live tournament offline. So it was kind of a crazy run.